Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of spending your precious free time battling dust bunnies and scrubbing floors? We've all been there. The good news? You don't have to go it alone. Enter the world of residential cleaning companies. But with so many options out there, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why, in today's video, we're helping you navigate the search and find a residential cleaning company that perfectly matches your needs and budget. Now, imagine coming home to this every week. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But before you start searching for magic cleaning fairies, let's get real. Finding the right residential cleaning company requires a bit of effort, but trust me, it's worth it. First things first, understand your needs. Ask yourself, what areas need the most attention? Do you prefer weekly cleanings or occasional deep cleans? Are there specific tasks you'd rather leave to the professionals? Defining your needs helps narrow down the search for companies specializing in what you truly require. Budget plays a big role too. Be realistic about how much you can comfortably spend on residential cleaning services. Remember, quality often comes at a premium, but affordability is still achievable. Consider factors like frequency, home size, and additional requests to get a clear picture of potential costs. Don't hesitate to request quotes from multiple companies for comparison. Now, let's get tech savvy. Research is your friend. Utilize online listings, review platforms, and company websites. Read reviews carefully, paying close attention to past client experiences and satisfaction levels. Look for companies that demonstrate professionalism, clear communication, and responsiveness. Don't just rely on online research. Ask questions, inquire about licensing and insurance, cleaning products used especially if you have allergies or pets, their experience in your area, cancellation policies, and specific service details. Remember, communication is key. Choose a residential cleaning company that values open communication and prioritizes your satisfaction. Finding the right residential cleaning company is about more than just price and services. It's about finding a partner you trust. Look for companies with experienced and certified technicians. Customized cleaning plans tailored to your needs, eco-friendly products that are safe for your family and the environment, and open communication throughout the process. Are you ready to experience the Limpier difference? Visit our website or contact us today for a free consultation and quote. Remember, a clean home shouldn't come at the expense of your time or peace of mind. Let Limpier help you reclaim your free time and enjoy a sparkling clean home you deserve. Until next time, happy cleaning!